Hi everybody, it's me Shaka Cunny, and as you all can see, I am still short. Okay, it has been over a year since I cut my relaxed hair off and cut my hair in a teeny weeny afro, and this is too long right here. So this is my hair, no product, and I'm going to style it the typical way that I style it every day for you all. But yeah, this is my hair, no product. And something that I found is after I wash and condition my hair, I let it air dry. My styles work best for me if I don't put any product on my hair after washing and conditioning it. That is so foreign to me. When I had long hair, whether it was relaxed or natural, you could not pay me to not put any type of product on my hair after washing and conditioning it. That was just like a big no-no. But now it's a big yes. So you can use any product. You can use water to mist the hair to prepare it for styling. This is what I do. I use this right here. So next thing I do is I take my Denman brush here and I brush my hair. Okay, so my hair has been brushed. Next, you could take any mousse, satin lotion, whatever you prefer. My hair has been smoothed with the product, so I take my Denman and brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair. I create some extra curls in my crown just by taking my rat tail comb here and curling it. I'm not trying to create perfect finger waves or anything like that. I'm just trying to make it look a bit decent, that's all. This is what I like to call my messy, cute, teeny weeny afro, and I'm gonna show you why, so check this out. So as you all can see, got the cute little finger waves going right here on this side. So check out this side over here. I'm like, look, I'm not gonna put any more setting lotion on my hair. I got enough on there. I gotta get my day started. This is gonna have to do. So I call it my messy teeny weeny afro, but I think it's overall cute. And I'll let you all get a fuller view of it. So this is the back, the tip top, another side, and that's the front of it. And y'all see my grays popping out, but that's okay. So I hope you all like this tutorial. As you all can see, it didn't take long at all. It took maybe, I'm gonna say 7 minutes. That's what I'm gonna say. But I really don't think it took that long. But anyway, hope you all have a great day. Hope you all like my tutorial. I'll just see you all later with another tutorial possibly. From my heart to yours, Shaka Cunnian. Bye.